For homeowners in Milton, creating a comfortable and energy-efficient living space is always a top priority. From humid summers to cool winter evenings, maintaining proper indoor airflow and temperature balance can be a challenge, especially if your home still has older, inefficient windows. If your rooms feel stuffy, drafts creep in, or energy bills keep climbing, it may be time to consider window replacement. Modern windows are designed not only to improve insulation but also to enhance airflow and comfort throughout your home. Here's how upgrading your windows can make a real difference for your Milton residents. Eliminating drafts and temperature fluctuations. One of the first signs of aging windows is a draft. That subtle flow of air you can feel around window edges or frames. These drafts let conditioned air escape and outdoor air enter, making it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. New, energy-efficient windows are built with precision sealing, insulated frames, and advanced weather stripping to eliminate those leaks. This airtight seal ensures your home stays warm during Massachusetts' chilly winters and cool during the summer months. By reducing temperature fluctuations and drafts, window replacement helps create a more balanced indoor climate, so you can enjoy every room comfortably year-round. Enhancing natural airflow. Proper airflow is essential for maintaining good indoor air quality and reducing humidity buildup. Many older windows, especially single-pane or warped wooden frames, no longer open or close properly, restricting natural ventilation. Modern window designs such as casement, double-hung, and sliding windows are built to operate smoothly and allow for controlled airflow. Casement windows open outward, catching passing breezes and directing them into your home. Double-hung windows can be opened from both the top and bottom, creating a natural air circulation loop. Sliding windows provide wide openings that let in fresh air while saving space. Replacing your old windows with these modern styles allows for better cross-ventilation, reducing the need for air conditioning and keeping your home feeling fresh and breathable. Reducing humidity and preventing moisture issues. Milton's humid summer climate can lead to condensation and moisture buildup, especially around older window frames. Over time, this can cause mold growth, wood rot, and poor indoor air quality. Modern windows are engineered with multi-pane glass, insulated spacers, and advanced seals that reduce condensation and block humid air from entering your home. This helps maintain a healthy humidity balance indoors while protecting your window frames and surrounding walls from damage. As a result, your living spaces stay drier, cleaner, and more comfortable, even during those muggy summer days. Boosting energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Window replacement doesn't just improve comfort, it directly impacts your home's energy performance. High-quality replacement windows feature low E coatings, argon gas fills, and insulated frames that minimize heat transfer. In summer, these features help keep your interior cool by reflecting the sun's heat, while in winter they trap warmth inside. This reduces the workload on your HVAC system and can significantly lower your monthly energy bills. By stabilizing indoor temperatures, energy-efficient windows create a more comfortable home environment, one where you can relax without constantly adjusting the thermostat. Reducing noise for a more peaceful home. Another often overlooked benefit of new windows is sound insulation. Multi-pane glass and tight seals block out street noise, wind, and neighborhood activity, helping your home feel quieter and more peaceful. In a community like Milton, where homes are close to one another and local traffic is common, this upgrade can make a noticeable difference in your day-to-day comfort. Professional installation ensures lasting results. Even the best windows won't perform effectively without professional installation. Certified installers ensure your new windows fit perfectly, seal properly, and comply with local building standards. This precision installation prevents air leaks, water intrusion, and alignment issues that could compromise performance. By partnering with experienced Milton professionals, you'll enjoy windows that look beautiful, function flawlessly, and last for decades. Final thoughts. In Milton, where the seasons bring everything from brisk winter winds to warm summer breezes, Window replacement offers an all-in-one solution for improving comfort, airflow, and energy efficiency. Upgrading to modern, professionally installed windows eliminates drafts, enhances ventilation, and stabilizes your home's temperature, all while reducing energy costs and noise. Whether you're looking to breathe fresh air into your home or simply enjoy a more relaxing indoor environment, replacing your old windows is a smart investment that pays off in comfort, performance, and long-term value.